A very warm welcome. This is Providence Pastures, the Roots allotment site in Garforth, Leeds, and this is my allotment vlog. So I've got this blackcurrant bush, the two of them here today from Garden at Home, and I'm going to put these in where the potatoes were. So one there and one there. This does entail a small bit of digging, only to just secure these roots into place. I just want to get it as deep down as I can, as I reasonably can. So that's the first one. Yeah, that'll be just right for that. So just a case of just pressing that earth back into place. And then I'll do the same again at the other side with this one. In fact, actually, yeah. And then we'll take out those potatoes there in a minute. And just same again, just easy enough just to use my wellies just to kick that all back in place where I dug it out, and then just press it in with my feet just to hold the roots in place. There we go. So that's two more blackcurrants. I already had one there, so now we've got three. Right, so I'm going to get some potatoes out of the ground now. Right, so let's see what we've got. Just get these out of the way. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. In fact, yeah, we'll just bob them there. Yep, so that's that one. No dig is the easiest way to harvest, as you can see. I'm not doing any digging here, just rummaging around with my hands in the soil, and that's pretty much all you need to do, is just make sure you cover them up. Any left will just grow into new potato plants. So take this one out as well. There's not very many off this one. Yeah, that's that. So that's it for the potatoes in this area. So these are going to go in the compost now. There we go. So there's plenty more potatoes here to take, and there's plenty more potatoes here because I think the frost's coming across this site and just finish them off. So we'll come and get those in a couple of days. So this cutting of grapevine didn't go well. It just turned out to be a twig. As it happens, I got another one going at home. So we'll. This one's definitely taken. So we'll just see whether it survives the exposure in this. What am I doing? I'm making a right clumsy mess. There we go. So I've got some lavender here. Again, cuttings that I took at home. So I'll just put it here. I did have another cutting of something here that's been totally eaten. So let's put these lavender cuttings here, see how they get on. They cost nothing to take. That's the best thing about cuttings. Just from the garden at home. There we go, so any luck, we'll get some lavender. And cut.